Isinusulong ni MP Rasol Mitmog Jr. na maging Deputy Floor Leader ng BTA Parliament si MP Jet Lim dahil nag-iisang kinatawan lamang ang mambabatas mula sa lalawigan ng Tawi-Tawi. Ito ang mosyon ni MP Mitmog sa sesyon ng BTA araw ng Lunes, April 14, matapos ninomina ni MP Hatimil Hasan si Lim na maging miyembro ng lahat ng komite ng Parliament.
I'd like to request for a special consideration to nominate the MP John Anthony Lim, the only PTA member from Tawi-Tawi, to be member of all the committee of all the committees, Madam Chair, because of the fact that it seems that Tawi-Tawi is not well represented in the BTA. They have only one. So to compensate that, John Anthony Lim would become member of all the committees, Madam Chair.
Madam Speaker, MP Jet Lim, as the only member of the Tawi-Tawi, Madam Speaker, in the Parliament, we suggest instead of making him members to all the committees, which is also very difficult, maybe they can consider to make him an assistant floor leader so that he can participate in all the committees as an ex officio officer.